Hi everyone, it's What's Up Wednesday with Heather in Raleigh, North Carolina. Are you thinking about buying new construction? Well, thinking about buying a new home in the Raleigh-Durham area, there are more options than you think, and knowing the difference can help you make the smartest move. New construction is popping up all across the triangle, and the perks are everything's brand new, they're energy efficient, they're modern in design, and builder warranties for a peace of mind. Now, you've got a few options depending on your budget and timeline. Spec homes, for example, are homes ready built with upgrades and trendy finishes. They're move-in ready, but customization is not so much. Standing inventory is also ready to go, sometimes with upgrades, great if you're ready to move quickly. The model homes were used as sales offices and often come fully loaded. When the phase is complete, you might score one at a great price. Want to pick your finishes? Go pre-sale. Just make sure your timeline is flexible. Have a bigger budget and more time? A fully custom build lets you create your dream home from the ground up. Here's the real talk. New doesn't mean perfect. Homes are built by people with natural materials. Are small imperfections okay? They are. They're totally normal. In North Carolina, many new homes come with a 6-year structural warranty. Some builders often offer a 1-year walkthrough, but always ask because it's not required. A few more things to think about. What about the landscaping? Is that on you? Appliances, you want to make sure you register those with warranties. And the 11-month walkthrough, set a reminder on your phone. Most important, work with an agent who knows new construction inside and out, like me. I'll walk you from blueprint to closing. Now let's find the perfect home for you right here in the triangle. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to be your real estate resource.